Mohammad Nabi Eisakhil, born January 1, 1985, is an Afghan cricketer who is the current captain of the T20 international team. Nabi is an all-rounder, playing as a right-handed batsman and off-break bowler. He played a major role in Afghanistan's rise to the top level of international cricket, playing in both their first one-day international in April 2009 and their first test match in June 2018. He captained the side during their first appearances in the 2014 Asia Cup and the 2015 Cricket World Cup. Nabi has also played in numerous 2020 franchise tournaments and was one of the first players from Afghanistan to be selected in the Indian Premier League player auction. In September 2019, he announced his retirement from Test cricket to prolong his limited overs cricket career. In August 2020, Nabi was inducted as a member of the Afghanistan Cricket Board. Early life and career. Nabi was born in Logar province in Afghanistan, but his family moved to Peshawar in Pakistan, fleeing from the Soviet-Afghan War. He started playing cricket in Peshawar at the age of 10, and his family moved back to Afghanistan in 2000, where he began playing cricket with Muhammad Shahzad, Asghar Afghan and Shahpur Zadran, all of whom would later become important members of the Afghan national team. Nabi played in his first competitive match in 2003, playing for an Afghanistan team against the Rahim Yar Khan Cricket Association. Afghanistan's team was poor, but Nabi top-scored for the team with 61 runs. During this time, Afghanistan didn't have their own cricket gear, and had to rely on buying it from Pakistan and India. In 2006, Nabi played for Afghanistan in a tour match against the Marylebone Cricket Club, MCC, in Mumbai, India. He top-scored for Afghanistan with 116 in a big win, and was noticed by former English Test captain Mike Gatting. Nabi was then included in the MCC's Young Cricketers program in England. While with the MCC, Nabi made his first-class debut in a tour match against Sri Lanka A in 2007, top-scoring for his team in the first innings with 43 runs. Following this, he played domestic cricket in Pakistan for Pakistan Customs. International career. Afghanistan's rise to ODI status, 2008 to 2009. Nabi was part of Afghanistan's staggering rise from Division 5 of the World Cricket League to one-day international status. This began in the 2008 ICC World Cricket League Division 5, which Afghanistan won. Nabi played in all 7 of Afghanistan's matches for the tournament, scoring 108 runs and taking 10 wickets, the second most for Afghanistan in each. This success was followed by the 2008 ICC World Cricket League Division 4, which Afghanistan also won. Nabi was named the man of the tournament, having taken 14 wickets at an average of 5.35, and scored 154 runs at an average of 25.66. Nabi was also in Afghanistan's team for the 2009 ICC World Cricket League Division 3, which they won to progress to the 2009 Cricket World Cup qualifier. Though Afghanistan did not qualify for the 2011 Cricket World Cup, they did achieve one-day international (ODI) status, and their final match of the tournament, the 5th-place playoff against Scotland, was the country's first ever ODI. Nabi scored 58 to get his maiden ODI half-century on his ODI debut, a match which Afghanistan won. He was named player of the match. Early international career, 2009 to 2013. Nabi played his first-class match for Afghanistan in the 2009-10 ICC Intercontinental Cup against Zimbabwe 11, scoring a century and taking 3-90 in the first innings. He continued to be an important part of Afghanistan's team in the Intercontinental Cup, and also played a crucial role for the team in the 2010 ICC World 2020 qualifier, through which Afghanistan qualified for the 2010 ICC World 2020. Having been a consistent performer for Afghanistan and vice-captain under Noraz Mongol's captaincy, when Mongol was removed from the captaincy ahead of the 2010 Asian Games, Nabi was appointed Afghanistan A captain. Afghanistan finished the Asian Games runners-up after losing the final to Bangladesh, and Nabi didn't remain captain after the Games. Captaincy, 2013 to 2015. In March 2013, Afghanistan Cricket Board, ACB, announced that Nabi would lead the national side in the ICC Intercontinental Cup in the UAE, after Noraz Mongol was stripped of the captaincy following his dismal show in the limited over series in Pakistan the previous month. Under his captaincy, Afghanistan went to the 2014 Asia Cup, their first ever major international ODI tournament. During the tournament they defeated Bangladesh in just their fourth match against a test nation. Nabi remained captain through the 2014 ICC World 2020 and the 2015 Cricket World Cup, but due to poor form and Afghanistan only winning one match in the World Cup, he resigned as captain in April 2015. Post-captaincy, 2015-present. Nabi's poor form continued after resigning the captaincy, until Afghanistan's bilateral ODI series against Zimbabwe. During the series, Afghanistan's new coach Inzamam ul Haq promoted Nabi up the batting order from number 6 to number 3, and his batting improved dramatically, scoring his maiden ODI century and 223 runs during the series to be named the player of the series. Afghanistan won the series 3-2, the first time an associate team had ever beaten a full member in a bilateral series. Nabi took on major responsibility in the 2016 ICC World 2020 to help Afghanistan win against Hong Kong and Zimbabwe in the group stage. Nabi was the man of the match in both these matches and Afghanistan advanced to the Super 10 round. Nabi performed strongly in Afghanistan's match against England as they almost caused a major upset. Nabi took a catch, took a wicket bowling and effected a run-out during the match, but England hung on to win by 15 runs. In May 2018, he was named in Afghanistan's squad for their inaugural test match, played against India. He made his test debut for Afghanistan, against India, on June 14, 2018. In February 2019, he was named in Afghanistan's test squad for their one-off match against Ireland in India. In 2019, in first T20 I against Ireland he won the man of the match for his 49 runs and 2 wickets. Again in series' third T20I as well, Nabi scored an 81 and bowled an economical spell of 0-28-4 to win the man of the match in series. In April 2019, he was named in Afghanistan's squad for the 2019 Cricket World Cup. On June 29, 2019, in the match against Pakistan, Nabi took his 200th wicket in international cricket. He finished the tournament as the leading wicket-taker for Afghanistan, with 10 dismissals in 9 matches. During the one-off test match against Bangladesh, he announced his retirement from test cricket to focus on white-ball cricket. In September 2021, he was named in Afghanistan's squad for the 2021 ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Domestic and T20 franchise career. Nabi has played in numerous 2020 franchise tournaments around the world, including the Bangladesh Premier League, the Pakistan Super League, the Indian Premier League, the Caribbean Premier League, the Big Bash League, the Vitality. Mohammad Nabi Eisakhil, born January 1, 1985, is an Afghan cricketer who is the current captain of the T20